Want to earn with Web3? Here's how to get started with Intract in just a few easy steps. Let's get you set up with Intract in no time. Step 1. Connect your Web3 wallet. Use MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any Web3 wallet for secure login. Step 2. Link your social accounts. Connect Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and email to build your digital identity. Remember, you can always update or add more accounts later. Now let's build your digital identity. With Intrac, you get a strong on-chain identity, better AI recommendations, exclusive airdrops, and proof of uniqueness. Step 3. Start completing quests. Follow, join, retweet, or share sample tasks from each airdrop campaign. No investment required. Step 4. Wait for the draw or instant airdrop. You'll either be entered into a draw or directly rewarded based on the campaign. Intract =AI plus identity plus earning. It's one of the smartest ways to earn in Web3 right now. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another earning opportunity. Only on Task Trekkers. Join our Telegram, link in the description, for weekly updates, airdrop guides, and task-based earning drops you won't want to miss.